Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this single lever mixer tap for your bathroom. As you can see, this fashionable simple design makes this product looks more atmospheric. It's suited for use with a variety of cymbals. The tap body and the outlet appearance more acceptance curve. The curve designs making the overall impression softer and it's it looks better designed, as you can see. The widening of the bottom of the faucet design and the increasing of the force area during installation allows for a firmer tap. The use of advanced coating process, the coating layer with good color uniformity, lead-free corrosion surface, gloss ensure brighter even than new constantly. And with a bubble water hole informed near the low pressure and the intake air. The water is supple, mute, water does not splash, it brings us more comfort with it. And of course, it makes a really cool designed job. It is made out of an ABS material in the surface way. The inner parts are metal, of course, and they looks really cool. And you can see it's easy to attach them because it is you have to install the two water tubes. After this process, you go and you install after this. You install the metal thing on it, and then you can add the nut onto it. That means you can clamp it through your water sink system, for example, and of course then you can tighten it easily. And after this, attach it to the water supply, and after this process, enable the flow, and you will see it works really proper. The bathroom mixer has a classic, elegant design, and it fits anything. It is either for a connecting instantaneous water heater or central hot water supplies. It is not possible to connect a heater system, an electronic built heater system. It is an HD system. That means the water supply which comes out of your wall is one line for the hot water and one line for the cold water. Because on this tap mixer here, there are two tubes. One for the hot water supply and the other for the cold water supply. Okay? And we can adjust the flow rate and the temperature precisely and easily by the lever. The aerator automatically fills the emerging water with air bubbles, entering a noticeably soft jet and reducing the water consumption too. In addition, uncontrolled splashing water can be prevented from this. And this is good because this saves money for us, and it saves the nature will be not gives us too much water out of the tube for it. That's really cool. It comes hot and cold system, ceramic cartridge system. It saves water and it's lead free, baby. And it is by E-DA. That's the brand behind this water faucet, okay? Because with the concept of creating a better quality of life, E-DA designs and manufacture a range of different interior styles. As the products are constantly being improved and updated, the aim of the brand is to create a comfortable living environment and launch trendy collections to easily add a touch of chic to our home. And it looks really cool because it is not so expensive because of this. The halo system of it is made of ABS plastic, of course, but the center system is leak free until now. It works everything nice, and this is a tap. A tap is used in the United Kingdom as most of the common valves for any everyday type of valve, particularly the fittings that control water supply to bathtubs and sinks. In the United States, it's a faucet. It's the most common term in the United States, similar as a tap in British English. A water faucet, although the tap is also used in the United States. And it can transport the liquid, and it can mix the liquid, hot and cold. So you can use this single lever tap mixer for your bathroom. Really nice. And it comes to you by E-DA. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. 算算。